wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. My dear friends, today I am going to narrate a story before you, which conveys the message of clemency and generosity. Are you guess the title of my story? Are you guess? Okay, I say, it was the beggar king. Once, a country was ruled by a king. He had no son to succeed to the throne. He went to select a suitable heir for a succeed to the throne. So the king sent out notices throughout his country, in which every qualified young man for an interview with the king. The outcome of the interview was will decide a possible successor to the throne. The only qualification for the candidate was should have an immense love for their fellow human beings. The every young man across the country was very excited at the possibility of being a ruler in the country. But from a remote village, a poor young man also read the notice and prepared for an interview with the king. The young man was kind and hard-working lad, but he was very poor due to various circumstances. So the young man worked really hard and saved some money to buy various circumstances. After he get his proper garments and supply to support him for long journey to the palace, and after he set out his quest, and he traveled many days, almost completed his journey. But when he came upon a beggar sat on the roadside, the beggar was trembling in the cold. He only covered a tattered rags. The young man extended his arms and pleaded for help. "Hey, sir, I'm hungry and cold. Please help me, sir." The young man, moved by pathetic condition of the beggar, and he suddenly stripped off his proper adornments and he gave it to him. And then the beggar thanked the man immensely. The man suddenly given his good clothes to the beggar, and after he have some dress, it was the old dirty clothes. He, however, gathered to the palace with his old dirty clothes, and he go to the palace. When he came to the palace, the king showed the way to the palace, and he entered to the great hall. Then the king entered the room. Then the man bowed low. When he raised eyes, then he gasped in astonishment. The king was very similar to the beggar he met on the way. The king saw the shock in the man's eyes. Then the king said, "Yes, I was the beggar you met on the way." Then the man asked, "Why do you that to me?" Then the king said, "Because I want to be sure that you have a good heart. Then I have sure it was you have a good heart and you already love your fellow human beings. So I give you are the possible successor to my throne." Then the man was very happy. وآخر دعوانا الحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله.